A proposal for settlement isn't just any old offer to settle a case. Those happen all the time. A proposal for settlement is something more official, more formal. So it occurs in the litigation stage, meaning after we've already filed a lawsuit. At some point, we or the defense may file a formal proposal for settlement. So that's when a document is actually filed with the court saying that there's been a proposal for settlement. And the court doesn't find out how much the settlement offer is, but it's just a formal way of announcing that there is an official proposal for settlement. Here's why it's such a big deal. If the defense files a proposal for settlement in your case, let's just for easy math say $100,000, and you choose not to accept it, and we go all the way through a jury trial. If the judgment after the jury trial, if the net judgment is 75% of that amount or less, then you don't just pay the other side's costs, which anybody who loses in trial has to do, but in addition, you've now triggered the proposal for settlement. And what that means is you also have to pay their attorney's fees, which is a lot of money. So in that hypothetical, it would be $75,000. If the judgment were $75,000 or something less than that, the idea is you could have had more and could have saved everybody in court a lot of time had you accepted the $100,000. You chose not to when you maybe should have, and you got 75% of that amount or less. So now it's almost like a punishment. You have to kind of own the risk that you took, and you have to pay the attorney's fees, which is a lot of money. I mean, we're talking thousands of dollars. We, as plaintiffs, can file a proposal for settlement as well. So you could probably guess how this works. When a plaintiff files a proposal for settlement, again, let's just say for $100,000, because that's easy math to work with. If we offer to settle for $100,000 and the defense says, no, we're not going to accept that proposal, we want to go to trial. Well, we go all the way to trial, and after the trial, there's a judgment. If that judgment is 25% of the amount we offered to settle, 25% more than the amount that we offered to settle for, or more, then that triggers our proposal for settlement, and now the defense has to pay not just our costs, but our attorney's fees as well. So in that scenario, obviously, it'd be $125,000 or more, and the idea works exactly the same. You know, the defense shoulda, coulda, woulda, paid the $100,000 and been done with this and not have to waste everybody's time and money going to court, and now it's essentially like they're being punished for the risk that they took. Because now they have to pay not just the judgment, of course, but on top of that, all our attorney's fees and costs. And that's a huge victory for the plaintiff, because now the plaintiff is not having to subtract a 40% attorney fee out of their settlement. The defense is having to pay for that.